Fanta, ice cream, and bananas. And what's this here? Ramen.
Yeah, so that's ramen and that's banana liqueur.
Ramen banana liqueur. Great way to start the day. Good.
So it was invented here in 1951 by our original owner, Brennan.
Yeah.
So all of the 1900s, New Orleans was a major port for bananas. So we had all these bananas coming into the city, and Owen wanted to utilize those bananas by creating a dish, and that's how he came up with the Banana Fosters.
Okay.
So this dish was named after Richard Foster, who was a local businessman. Yeah. The bananas? He was a local businessman, and he was really good friends with Owen Brennan. He served on a Liqueur Crime Commission to keep New Orleans safe. So he actually presented him with this dish at dinner as a celebratory thing.
Oh, okay, great.
Because the wind blows. Alright, so you use a dark rum.
Yeah, I know.
It's a masterpiece.
There's some New Orleans history right there in the bowl. Since 1951.
Done this a few times.
History just...
Yeah.
Alright, here we have it. Since 1951, Banana Fosters. Girls, you want to come and try some of these?
Wow. Banana, ice cream, rum, sugar. It's very nice, very delicious. You can see why they put them on the map.
Alright, try some.